Hello, my name is Ben Yu. I'm from Vietnam, and today I would like to introduce my project named IFC Extract Informations using Python. So I'm currently working on architecture, engineer, and construction field. In our field, when we're sharing the informations between all the stakeholder, we are using IFC format. So IFC is contain the 3D geometries and data of the building, design building. Meaning like the IFC we can create from the 3D modeling software and sharing between different software. And to use us to open and reading or extracting the information on IFC, we also need to use the application, the software application, like 3D modeling software or simulation software. So my project is try to exploring the capability of extracting information by Python with help of Visual Studio Code. So my project, what this can do is I will try to developing the script can help to read some basic information from 3D modeling model, like number of stories, number of floors, building height, space on each floor, total floor area, number of the doors and windows. So this is the one sample model from the software named Autodesk Revit. In this software, we can see some information like the 3D level to define the floor level, and we in 3D model in this software we can extract the information like level and space, like on the room inside the 3D model. Now I got to export this into the IFC. On my project folders, I have a couple files like the project.py, the main Python script, and also with another file like IFC, the sample of the 3D model. This is a IFC after we export. With my main Python script, I'm using the library OpenCell, IFC OpenCell, and couple more functions to help me extract the information from the IFC format. To starting using the Python script, I will execute Python, and they will request some file path. By copy the file path of our sample file, we will execute the script. It will request to giving some more instructions. In here, I will try with the number one will be retrieved on the story, and they will extract information into the one CSV file. In here, on the level will be listed out with the elevations. The comment number two will have to adjust on the space. So they will giving the one CSV with on the space and area and volume for each story or each level. With number three, uh, comment number three, they will extract the information of floor. Unfortunately, the feature is not ready yet. So we're moving to number four. To number four, they will extract the information and write it down into the CSV of the number of the doors in the 3D model. So all the information will be writing down here. To escape exit, I was using number 0.